Hi, this is size 14 light wire straight shank hook, and the thread I'm using is Black 80. As usual, works the thread. Very simple pattern and works really well around this time of year. I'm using for the still water actually, but you can use small size for the river like 18 or 20, but I think 14 works very well. So take this waste piece off, open the thread, just touch and turn, so just stop in between point and a barb and add some more wax on the thread. I'm going to be using, this is Antron yarn. You can use this seal's furs or anything, but this is a fine one. Basically this is a wool yarn, so it sits very nicely, so not too much though. You can kind of take some off if you put too much on, and then touch and turn, and that's enough. And here a little bit more wax. For the wings I'm going to be using a Glow Bride number 16 white color. You can use polypropylene white, so just take some off and just about 4-inch long and double that up. So I'm just going to do it like twice and just catch it here, completely secure that, few turn, that's fine. And I will take this front bit off and then secure this properly, then come back and all you have to do is just kind of press it so they can spread nicely. You don't need too much, just a little white wings. And for the huckle, this is a cock huckle, black. So I'm just gonna create a little point, so if you catch this either side, as you can see, and then gently just catch it once and a little bit more wax on your thread, and then secure this properly, lift that excessive piece up and then chop it off. That's fine. And then all you have to do is just bring your huckle and then this is few turn, that's enough, and then just kind of secure this, pull everything back and form the head, and then whip finish. Make sure you don't drop any huckle, and then just take this off, make this extra piece off, and then I'm going to bring this huckle a little bit standing up. If you use a silver grade, bronze or silver, they are really great huckle. And then when you cut this wings, just a body length, not longer than that, and so That's fine actually. I'm gonna spread these wings. You need a little bit varnish on the head, just tiny bit. You don't need too much because it's a dry fly. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on the front. So there we have a polywing midge. Great pattern from now, this time of year and all the way to autumn. Very simple as well, so you can tie on any size from 14 to 24. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.